To open the hood, there's a lever right here below your dash. Just pull forward to pop the hood. Then here in the middle of the grill, you'll put your fingers in the middle and push it to the right and lift up this little latch here. To replace your map sensor, you'll pull straight up on this box. You should be able to weasel it forward, pull it out, and set it aside. This right here on the top of the motor, in this case, is the map sensor for this model. It has a small clip on the top that you should be able to push towards the passenger side to unclip. It's supposed to be stuck on there and flip up, but in this case it was already broken. So then you can remove your plug by squeezing the back of this tab here. Squeeze it straight down and pull straight out. Then the sensor itself should be able to just weasel straight out, pull up. Trying to do it one-handed here. It pulls straight up and out of the hole. And a lot of times it will have some grime inside of here. These can be cleaned out with the mass airflow sensor spray as well. I always recommend the AC Delco. Try and make sure you have the original part number to go back in it. These computers are very sensitive to these sensors. But once you have your new one, you'll push back down on it. You will close this flap back over the top and snap it back shut. Be sure you plug your sensor back in, and you should be able to weasel your lid back on, making sure you go under the heater hoses and try not to pry up on those because they can be brittle and crack at the firewall. And you'll push the lid back down, you'll feel it snap, and you'll be able to clear your codes. If you don't have a scan tool, most auto parts stores will let you clear your codes or disconnect the hot battery post for 30 minutes and then reconnect the battery post to reset your codes, and it's good to go.